Imagine 5 plane loads of iPhones being hurriedly taken from warehouses in India and China trying to reach the US in time. That's exactly what happened last week as Apple tried to beat Trump's tariff deadlines and ensure there's enough iPhones for the US markets for the next few months. As per TOI, who quoted Indian government officials, the urgent shipments were made within a span of 3 days so that Trump's 10% reciprocal tariffs that took effect on 5th April could be avoided. As per the report, Apple has no plans to increase retail prices in India or any other market, at least currently, and to mitigate the impact of looming tariffs, the company quickly moved inventory from manufacturing centers in India and China to the US. This stockpiling will allow Apple to maintain current pricing temporarily. Currently, the company is analyzing how different tariff structures across manufacturing locations will affect its supply chain. The US is, of course, a crucial market for Apple products, so the company is trying to figure how to avoid transferring increased costs to customers. iPhones are already premium, and the cost increasing further will hit demand to a huge extent. Most iPhones are still manufactured in China, a country now hit with a massive 54% tariff under Trump's renewed push to bring manufacturing back to the US. Apple, which has long relied on China's vast supply chain and low labor costs, now finds itself caught in the middle. Unless it can negotiate exemptions or absorb billions in extra costs, the burden may be passed straight to the consumers. Analysts at Rosenblatt Securities did the math. They say Apple would need to hike iPhone prices by 43% to break even. According to analysts, even shifting just assembly to the US would drive labor costs from $30 per unit in China to more than $300 in the US. And manufacturing every component domestically will take a humongous task to build a whole ecosystem from scratch. Unlike in Trump's first term, when Apple secured waivers for some products, this time no exemptions have been granted so far. To buy time, Apple is reportedly stockpiling inventory to avoid immediate price hikes. Under Trump's order, goods in transit before 9th April avoid the new tariffs. All of this at a time iPhone sales have already been sluggish. Compared to this, Apple tends to benefit from its focus on Make in India, since Indian exports are facing a 26% reciprocal tariff to the US as compared to the 54% levied on Chinese goods. This substantial 28 percentage point difference creates a compelling economic incentive for Apple to accelerate its manufacturing transition to India. Hope you enjoyed.